story, I'll tell you no lies. How John Lewis did murder a little lonely. He asked her to meet him at Adams's spring. Said he'd bring her money and other fine things. So fool like she met him at Adams's spring. No money he brought her nor other fine things. John Lewis, won't you tell me